This is a rich man's game. The stock market is going nowhere. What's going on, people? Bam Lit, Ghetto investor. I want to explain to you why the stock market is in our favor. And I want you to really hear me, and I want you to hear me good. The stock market is in our favor because if the stock market go down right now, everybody in that White House is going to get together and bring that stock market back up. 100 years in the stock market, we maybe had 3 crashes. Great Depression, recession, and some little minor hiccup. And let me tell you this, right? The stock market crash, everybody that's in my group, we rich. We rich. You follow my lead, we rich. Just being honest with you. Read the steps, understand the course, do your own homework, and we rich. On the way to being wealthy. I be wanting the stock market to drop. I want it to drop so I could buy more. I could build up more of a position. See, all the people that lost a lot of money during those crashes, they the ones that opt out. You never lost your money yet until you sell. When you buy, you can hold on to stock as long as, I don't care what's going on with the numbers. Don't worry about the numbers. Don't worry about that stock market number. You sell, you lost out. Because everybody that stayed in the market tripled their money. If you had an M, it turned into 3.